Beauty is not just an external experience, it's not just an external thing, and it's not accessible to specific groups of people. It's accessible to us all. Hey, so I wanted to talk to you a little bit about my Beauty and the Shen in-person workshop. Now, I haven't done this type of workshop in some time. I did them in person before the pandemic, and I did them virtually during the pandemic. And this is going to be the first time I've done that in a long time. And I've been really thinking about doing this. And now that I feel a little bit more settled with where I'm at, I'm excited to tell you June 7th and June 8th, that's a Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4 p.m., I will be hosting a Beauty and the Shen workshop, which is all about you facing forward, right? And knowing how to show up for yourself in a way where there's more presence. So in Chinese medicine, traditional Chinese medicine, the Shen is also known as the spirit, and it resides in the heart. And we can connect with that heart energy, that Shen, we are able to connect better with ourselves, but also with others, right? Connecting with ourselves is so important when it comes to balancing the mind and the body. One of the things about beauty is that it's more than just the external. And when we can really connect with what our needs are and finding the opportunity to be present, and if it's using ritual such as gua sha or cupping or massage along different acupressure points, why not? This is an opportunity to nourish not only your beauty, but to nourish your spirit. And it's going to be an amazing experience because you'll be able to learn a lot about your face. You'll be able to learn a lot about your own anatomy, your muscular anatomy. You'll be able to learn a lot more about how your lymphatic system works within the face, within the neck, within the collarbone, and how that actually contributes to your health. Beauty is not just an external experience, and it's not accessible to specific groups of people. It's accessible to us all. For me, my ritual is a daily experience, and I usually do my rituals at night during my cleansing routine. It allows me to reset the day as I head into the evening. And while you're learning all the goods and all the things about ritual and beauty and cupping and gua sha and facial acupressure, I'm going to be also creating a beauty elixir for you, which includes jujubes, which are known as Chinese red dates, which is a really great staple that helps to nourish blood, nourish what we call yin, which is also supportive for building beauty from the inside, because beauty is an inside job. And June 7th, June 8th, it's super intimate. It's gonna be 6 people per session. And it allows me to really sit with you and create a more personal experience. It's happening in New Jersey. And at some point, I will probably put something together that's more virtual, which I think will be pretty cool. But for now, it's gonna be in person. June 7th, June 8th, 2 to 4 p.m. and 6 people per session. I'll see you then.